In a tense courtroom drama, Renee Gomez faces his third DWI charge, a third-degree felony with up to 10 years in prison. But when the judge uncovers his shocking attitude toward drinking and driving, the hearing takes an unexpected turn. Will Gomez get probation or jail time? Watch as the judge delivers a blistering warning about his reckless choices, with a sentence that leaves everyone stunned.
Court is calling 2025 CR 002750 State versus Renee Gomez.
Attorney Bill Simmons for defense.
And are you Mr. Gomez?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review it with your client?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Gomez, did you review the document entitled Application for Community Supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
And did you sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it? Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes.
Mr. Gomez, did you review the document entitled Court Admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand you're charged with driving while intoxicated third or more? That's a third-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you, and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes,
You're gonna have to make sure you speak up. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent. Did you understand by entering into this agreement, you were giving up those rights?
Yes, ma'am.
And did you intend to enter into agreement in this case? I'm sorry?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
In my opinion, he does, Your Honor.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Gomez, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, ma'am.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, ma'am.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain agreement with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at 10 years in the prison. The state recommends community supervision. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense, is that the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
State, is that the plea?
Yes, sir.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it in both places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Outside the agreement, the state is recommending that your community supervision be for a term of 10 years, that there be a TAP evaluation, DWI intervention, VIP live, ignition interlock for half the term, and 2-year Texas driver's license suspension. And did you also understand that the court can order 10 days in the Bergen County Jail as a condition of your probation?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand those were recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes, ma'am.
Then to the offense as charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Contest.
State, any evidence?
No objection.
All right, state, do you have any objection to the defendant serving the 10 days on GPS?
No.
All right, thank you. You may be excused.
Yes, sir.
Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments, and the court will review the same. After reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
We would just pray that the court follow the plea agreement. We would also ask the court to give consideration to his indigent status and needing to work. He knows that he'll need to obtain an occupational license and would need permission from the court to move around from that perspective. His driver's license has been suspended for 80 days. It's caused him some issues, but he has not been driving at all. So we would ask the court to give some consideration on the driver's license suspension length.
All right. What do you do for work?
Construction, concrete.
And how old are you, sir?
Ma'am,
How old are you?
59, gonna be 59 June.
Oh, okay. Well, happy birthday upcoming. All right. This is what the court is going to do. The court is going to sentence you to 10 years in the prison, suspended and probated for 10 years, regular reporting by Zoom or in person, regular random UAs, proof of employment within 30 days, no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. I'm going to want a referral to felony drug court and also a TAP evaluation out of custody, follow recommendations, 120 sober meetings in 120 days, the DWI intervention course, DWI education, victim impact live, ignition interlock for half the term, 2-year license suspension. Does he want to do 10 days at the Bergen County Jail or 10 days on GPS?
GPS run.
All right, there should be, I'm sorry, not 10 days on GPS. It would be 20 because if he wants it partial. If he doesn't want a partial, then he have to do 10 days full house arrest.
Can I have 10 seconds?
Sure.
A few moments later.
Your Honor, if I can, just to verify for the record. Do you understand the 10 days, if the court would allow you to do 10 days of GPS at home, you would not be able to work. It's full house arrest. That's what she meant by partial. So the 20 days, you would be able to get permission from the probation officers approved by the court for work purposes. And it would be for the GPS, for you to have the GPS, and that will be in lieu of you being taken into custody for additional 10 days. So those are the options. So I believe, Judge, we'd like to do the 20.
Okay. All right. There's to be 20 days of GPS, partial for employment.
And if to bring to the court's attention, he's already on GPS. So just so the court knows, I don't know if the court can or would give him credit for the time he's been on GPS already anyway.
There's going to be field visits 1 time per month for 6 months, 200 hours of community service, restitution. What do you do in your free time?
Well, I guess I'm gonna be doing that.
Yeah. What do you do on your free time? What do you normally do?
Relax. After work, you mean? That's what I do after work.
Relax and drink.
No.
That's why we're here for DWIs.
It's on a special occasion, that's it. You know.
What was your-
I said, well, an everyday day.
What was your special occasion on this day?
Party? Like
Huh?
Halloween party.
All right. And what was your special occasion for the other 2 DWIs?
Oh, just festivals.
Mm-hmm.
That's all we want.
Yeah, so
I'm not a drinker every day. I'm sorry, I'm not. I'm serious, I'm not. I'm a social drinker on this.
So you just drink to intoxication.
You will say that, that's fine. That's
Well, I mean, no, this is,
I'm just telling you, I go to family functions and we drink and
and then you
I
drive.
just take out, yes.
All right. So you drink and you drive and you drink to intoxication. Yeah. I mean, and you've done this before. All right. So there's going to be 200 hours community service restitution. Probation. Is there anything else? Yes. Is there anything else you need from the court to be successful? All right. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have questions over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, we can go off the record. Here's the thing. It appears to the court you have a problem. And you are minimizing your problem. I know a lot of people who celebrate on the holidays and they say, oh, you know, it's a family barbecue or it's 4th of July, we drink, but they don't drink to intoxication and drive. And that's what you continue to do. And you're blaming it on holidays.
I'm not blaming it on knowledge. I'm just saying, ma'am, that's.
And if you're drug tested today, what are the results going to be? When's the last time you drank?
All that. I'll come out late.
You come out, no, when's the last time you drank alcohol? All right, so see, he still has an alcohol problem.
Ma'am, I'm not been driving, ma'am.
That's good.
No.
Mr.
Sorry.
While you're on probation,
Just hear the word.
here's the
But
thing.
probation is a different story.
Here's the thing. While you're on probation, you're not allowed to drink. And anybody, and normally, whether people are telling the truth or not, normally when they pick up a DWI third, you know what their attorney is able to come in and say? My client hasn't had a drink since that night because they were so terrified and knew that they could have killed somebody. You, on the other hand, you're still relaxing, drinking alcohol. That's why I wanted to know what you do in your spare time. I understand people work construction. It's hot. You want to come home? Let me have a beer. But your problem is you want to come home, have a beer, more than one or whatever you're drinking, and then get out and drive. And you can kill somebody. And you're lucky that you did not kill somebody. You understand? And if you don't get it into your mindset that you are one of those people who cannot drink and drive, you're going to end up picking up another DWI. You're going to end up killing somebody. And then you're going to come in here crying and still come before a judge and say, oh, I drank about 3 weeks ago. So you had better change yourself. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
I don't understand why people, if you're going to drink, catch the via. You know what you'd have probably been charged with? Public intoxication. Maybe you would have got hit by a car. I don't know why it is here in San Antonio. San Antonio is the only place I know where people are walking on the freeway. I don't know if that has to do with drinking or what, but this is the only city I've seen that happen. Just as a side note, I'm driving on 410. I'm going the speed limit. And guess what? I'm slamming on my brakes. Everything in the back seat is flying forward. You know why? Because somebody has decided to walk on the freeway and crossing 5 lanes of traffic on the freeway.
You know, Judge, I've never thought about it. You have a point.
Yeah, okay. I could have killed somebody. And I wasn't drinking. Now, if you would have been driving that, maybe you would have ended up killing them. But good luck to you, sir.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Baby, excuse your honor.